this video, you are going to see how to insert an Excel file in Microsoft Word. Here I have Excel file and I want to insert it in this Microsoft Word document. So let's get started. Let us go to Insert, go to Object, click on Object, go to Create from File and click on Browse and find the Excel workbook. Let me select this one, click on Insert. Now let us click on OK. And here you will see I have inserted the Excel workbook in Microsoft Word. I can easily reduce its size. And if I click on over here, the Excel workbook will be open over here. Let us close outside, then it will close. If you want to add as an icon, just go to Insert, go to Object, go to Create from File and select your desired Excel file and click on Display as Icon and hit OK. And here the Excel file will be inserted as an icon. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.